Mr. Tango, where did that man go? Bird cage, in the bird cage, in the bird cage. Upscale living, luxury, that's what's for me. Me and my dogs, yeah, that's where we'll be. Ain't no mammals, just flocks of a feather. Ain't no gypsies, my fanny packs leather. I sleep up here every day, but don't get me wrong. It's skinny on the inside, but it's very long.
I don't think it's a good idea. Croutons at Higgins?
There's nothing wrong with it.
Wrong. That's disgusting. Bad. That's just a recipe for disaster.
Look, besides, we'll get like 347 more people.
Right.
So do you think that's dumb?
Yes.
Okay.
What the freaking heck?
What in the freaking heck are you doing here, Marvin?
What's he doing in there?
What?
What in the freaking heck are you doing here, Marvin?
Resting.
I don't. What are you doing in my bed?
I'm just trying to have a good time.
Get out of it. Get out
I
of
can
my
sleep
bed.
here if I want. This is my place too.
Now.
Yes, it is.
Oh my gosh. Zach, this is really awkward. I can't be here. Oh.
It's a bird cage and I can be here.
I don't want you there. You've been there too long.
So what?
You don't belong there. That's my bed.
Mr. Tango, where'd that man go? Bird cage, in the bird cage. Mr. Tango, where'd that man go? Bird cage, in the bird cage, in the bird cage.